Yo, what's going on, guys? So, I'm in Bee Swarm today, and I got a whole bunch of codes for you guys, alright? I got a whole bunch of them, and I'll show you where the secret hidden gummy cave is, alright? So, we're like in the stick bug challenge right now, and the minute that this stick bug challenge gets to 5 minutes, I will give you guys the first code. But I will give you guys a warning. One of the codes has a Russian letter in it. So that one, I will just put in the description to make it easier for you guys. Alright? Alright. So, let's start this video off with the stick bug challenge, which is new to this game because it's just updated. So, you guys get to see a little bit about that. You got that stick bug here, who's trying to kill you. His red area harms you. And then if you kill his little minions, they drop a bunch of tokens and stuff that you can get. But then if you get killed a little bit, you get trapped in twigs. And yeah, it's a pretty cool update so far, and I'm enjoying it. Alright, let's start off with, the first code. Alright, so here's the first code, guys. It's called Gummy Sausage. Alright, guys, there. Gummy Sausage. I already used it, but, there's that code Gummy Sausage. Alright? Alright, guys. So there's that code Gummy Sausage right there. Enter that one in. I don't remember what it gives. I will have to look it up. But yeah, enter that code. It's pretty good. I know it gives a lot of good stuff, alright? I think I might have used all these codes. I have no clue. But I can definitely find out for you guys what they give you. I will tell you. Actually, right now I can tell you. So if you haven't already entered that code, do not do it yet, okay? Do not do it. Right? Don't, oh my god, this is too hard to spell. Alright, do not enter that code, okay? Do not enter that code. Oh crap, what? Oh, I was AFK for a second looking at a message my friend sent me and I didn't even notice I was dying from him. Alright, so after this stick bug challenge, I will give you, I will tell you what that code Gummy Sausage does. Alright, I'll tell you what that code does, and I will give you a couple more too. We got a lot more for you. Try not to die right here. I'm about to die right now. Gotta get this twig off me before I die. There we go. And then you got all these goodies. But yeah, don't enter it, but that's the first code, Gummy Sausage. Do not enter it. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we are gonna just like do a quick little check on our stick bug. I know I'm at the wrong field, just let me switch it out here. But first, before I do any of this, we gotta get that, what, wealth clock? Why can't I have my wealth clock? Alright, let's get these little stick people. But first, let's just do this quickly. Oh, it's bamboo field. Alright. Okay, legit, stop messaging me. Alright guys, I have this friend that I really wish she would stop messaging me. I mean, I started the video without her because I thought she would join, but then I realized I'm in a private server. And I can't really switch out or else the video will end, and I can't do that for you guys. So, I guess she'll just have to wait. Alright, after this stick bug challenge, you'll be able to, I'll tell you guys what the code gummy sausage gives you. If you've already entered it, you don't really need to know, but I know some people watching love to know what the codes give. I'm sorry if you already entered it, but yeah, I know some people on my videos, they like to know what the codes give before they enter it so they can get their stuff ready. Like if it gives like a blue flower field boost, they'll want to get their bubble wand ready. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. For the rest of the codes, I'll tell you what they give first. Actually, no, I actually won't because that sort of gives it away. No, actually, no, I will. I'll tell you guys. So yeah, I know I said I'm in a private server, but since it's not mine, my friend who owns it is in it. So yeah. Alright. Oh god, I fell. I would have already been done with the video, guys. I'm sorry, but the stick bug challenge came up, and you can't really ignore that because I know it gives some great stuff. Ooh, it's nighttime. Maybe you can ignore the stick bug challenge. I don't know. Whatever. I just like the moon sprouts. They give a lot of stuff. Alright, guys. Let me go get those fireflies quickly. And then after nighttime's over, I'll give you guys those codes. There's a lot more, over 10 codes. You guys should look good. Just be prepared. There's over 10 codes, so yeah. I hope these are useful to you guys, because it took a long time to search these, because one of these codes isn't even like isn't posted anywhere. I had to go digging really hard, look at a bunch of YouTube videos. It was super hard to find one of these code, guys. I will not give you the code yet, because that'll just be a spoiler, because that's the code I'm saving for the end. So, yeah. Yeah. I think it's that one, yeah. I have a little paper next to me where I wrote down all the codes. So, yeah. Alright, you guys. So, my pollen container's full, but I don't care, because I'm not missing these fireflies. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over there. Where are they going? Oh, crap. They're going up to the pineapple. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna use one of my tickets. There we go. Where are they? Fireflies. Oh, here are the fireflies. Alright, guys, there we go. That's the end of the nighttime. And I don't know why. Ooh, sprout. Okay, every time I'm about to give you guys a new code, something else happens. I'm really sorry, guys. I'll promise. And all these YouTubers have these special codes that they get for themselves. Wish I could get one of those, because that would be like a great thing to do. But yeah, we all know that that's not gonna happen. Okay, I'll just do this sprout, guys, and then after this, you will get two codes. One, the gummy sausage one, and I'll tell you what it gives, and then another one, and I'll tell you what that one gives. Alright guys, there, I think that seems fair to you. We got a lot more to go in a really long video. I was aiming for this to be only about 15 minutes long, but then the stick bug challenge, and the nighttime, and now the sprout, and I haven't even really given you any codes. So I apologize about that. But I gotta keep reminding myself, and you guys gotta remind me in the comments too, in case I forget. I have to put that code at the Russian letter in the description. Because if you try and type it, it won't really work, because it's like a backwards N with 2 dots. So I'll put that one in the description there. But, alright guys, so I'm just gonna go drop off my pollen, and while I'm doing that, guys, I will give you what the code gummy sausage gives. Alright, so the code gummy sausage, guys, enter this right now. Gummy sausage gives enzymes, glue buff, gumdrops times 10, unlimited gumdrops buff, cactus field boost times 2, and wolf clock times 2. Alright guys, so do that one. Yeah. And then, okay, so we got a lot of codes for you guys. I don't know why, but one of them I forgot to put down. Looks like there's a couple more than I thought. I put a bunch of them down on my document, but I guess I just forgot to put them down on my sheet to give you guys. So, yeah. I have a lot of them. I'll just end here. And I'll do one more. I guess I'll go to there. And then I'll do this last one. I don't know if some of these have expired. I'm pretty sure none of them have. But, whatever, guys. So, first off, code gummy sausage. We gave you that. And now we are gonna give you the next code. So the next code after gummy sausage is, this is what it gives. It gives let's see. The one after gummy sausage gives a red extract. It gives a stinger, gives 20 pineapples, bamboo boost times 3, and a wealth clock. So here we go. Here's the code, guys. Exo extract. Exo extract. You redeem that, and then you get all that stuff I just listed off for you guys. Alright, yeah. That seems pretty fair to me. Alright, guys. The next code gives... Alright, so here's the next code. It gives red extract again, pineapple times 15, sunflower seed times 15, mushroom field boost times 3, and a wealth clock. And here is the code, guys. It is red cat B. Red cat B, and there we go. I've already redeemed all these. So, yeah, there you go. So, here we go. We'll get the next code in here. This one is called, this one gives... Let's see here. This one gives an ant pass, and that's it. It's called extra pass. Extra pass. And there we go. Right there. Extra pass. There we go. Okay. So now we gotta go to the next code. This one is, where is it? Okay, it gives a stinger, black bear morph, 3 tickets, wealth clock, blue flower field boost times 6, and mushroom field boost times 6. And the code is club party. Club party, and I believe you have to be in the club for that one. Alright, so there's that code, club party. And now we got another code for you guys. We got the code that gives 3 moon charms, 3 tickets, a royal jelly, and cactus field boost times 4. This code is called Moon Miracle. Moon Miracle. There we go. You can see that I already redeemed it down there in the bottom. So there, let's cross that one off my list. Next one, this code gives a lot of stuff, and here's what it gives. It gives, not really a lot, but an ant pass, a shocked bee jelly, which, I got already right here. Shocked bee jelly. It gives oil buff, glue buff, and enzymes buff. And here is the code, guys. The code is, secret profile code. Secret profile code. And code is in the name. Alright, guys? So, there's that code. And we got this pineapple that's spitting at me. How disrespectful, pineapple. I always treated you kindly, didn't I? Alright. So, in 1 second, we're gonna do the next code. Just wait for the spit to be done. You guys probably need a cooldown too. Probably going wicked too fast for you. I'm wicked sorry. But yeah. Here we go. There's this one. Alright. There we go. There's this. Level 1 is really bad. I don't know why I'm using it. Alright. Next code, guys. I gotta cross out my secret profile code. Alright. Here we go. This next code gives a magic bean, a moon charm, pineapple times 5, sunflower seed times 5, and sunflower field boost times 4. And this code is noob Asha bonus. Noob Asha bonus. And that gives you all that sweet stuff I just listed off for you guys. Alright, cross that one off. This next one is a little bit old, but it's still active. So I'm going to give it to you guys anyway. It gives wealth clock times 5, sunflower seed times 10, strawberry times 10, blueberry times 10, pineapple times 10, cactus times 3, which I'm guessing is cactus field boost times 3, blue flower field boost times 4, and mushroom field boost times 4. And this code, which gives so much stuff, is ping boost. There we go, there's that code, ping boost, guys. Alright, ready? Here's a code that's a little bit old, but it's still active, and it gives royal jelly, wealth clock, pine tree forest boost times 2, rose field boost times 2, sunflower field boost times 2, and 10 treats. And this code is 300 million visits, or 300M visit. I spelled it wrong. 300M visits. You redeem that, and there you go. You get all that sweet stuff over here. Alright, we go in here, we cross that one off, and a couple of these codes you need the groups for. Here's that Russian one. I am just gonna, put it in there in the chat filter, because I have it copied onto my computer, so I can just paste it whenever I want in there. But first off, this code gives magic bean, oil buff, and wealth clock. And here's that code right there, kotikbean. And there you go, gives you all that sweet stuff. Alright, here we go. We got this next code here, guys. This next code here gives a treat times 5, blueberry times 5, strawberry times 5, sunflower seed times 5, pineapple times 5, gumdrops times 5, and spider field boost times 3. This one is Mayru treats. Mayru treats. And there you go. There's that one there. And now this one, I don't know if I've redeemed already. I don't think I did. But I was listening for some weird noise outside I heard. So yeah, guys, I'll give you the next code in a second. Just give me a second for this honey storm, and let me look up and see if I use this code or not. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys any second now. Alright, so I don't think I've used this one yet, but here it is. Ready, guys? So it gives 5 moon charms, 10 treats, pine tree boost times 2, and wealth clock times 2. This one's a little bit long, guys. It's Mama Moons. So it's like MINHMAMAMOONS. Okay, and then I've already used it. Let's cross that one off. Alright, the next one, guys, gives 2 stingers, Rage times 5, Focus times 10, Melody, Panda, Bearmorph, Stumpfield Boost times 1, and a Wealth Clock. And if you guys don't know where the Stumpfield is, it's right here behind me, right here, with the Stump Snail, just like impossible to beat. But alright, whatever. And here's your code, guys. Rob Z. Rampage. Rob Z Rampage. Wait, what? Oh, I typed it wrong. Rob Z Rampage. There we go, right there. Alright, you guys. There's that code. We got 3 more codes for you and the little mystery I have for you guys I don't think I mentioned. Alright, this next one I'm not sure if I used, but whatever. It gives Stinger, Enzymes, Sunflower Seed times 10, Pineapple times 10, Pumpkin Patch Boost times 3, and a Wealth Clock. This code right here, guys, is Darzeth Pack. Darzeth Pack. And there, it gives all that sweet stuff I just listed off. Alright, this next one, guys, gives you... Hold on, I'm trying to find it. Give me 1 second. I'll just give you guys an extra code. Club Party. Club Party. Wait. Club Party. Oh, maybe it expired. Let me see. No. Club Party. Yeah, there we go. Club Party right there. I don't think this is Club Bear. Yeah, I was thinking that was deactivate. Oh, no. It's not Club Bear. It's Club Bean. Club Bean, and I'll just let you guys find out what that one gives. Alright, guys, we got our last code of the day, guys. Oh, I know, you're all sad. It gives unlimited gumdrops times 5, red extract, blue extract, gumdrops times 25, strawberry times 10, blueberry times 10, pineapple times 10, sunflower times 10, royal jelly, and a dandelion field boost times 4. And this code is really simple, guys. Crafty from the new update with the crafting machine. Alright, you guys. That's it for the codes, but then I got that little special surprise I promised you guys. So let me just go ahead, sell all my stuff. First, let me get his stuff. Alright. And I'm like stalling it now. I don't know why. Maybe because I just like hanging out with you guys and I don't want to leave. Alright, let's just get these mantises quickly in the werewolf. And guess what I just realized, guys? This whole video, I forgot to do my daily logins. So, we gotta do that, but first we just finished Polar Bear's quest. So we gotta be respectful to Polar Bear and give him his stuff so he doesn't have to hold on to my goodies forever. I'm coming, Polar Bear. Don't rush me. I like how there's no timeout on him. Alright, guys, we're gonna do our little blimps that you should do every hour. Some are every 4. I like the music here. Yep, you got that one. You got get this one. Then you gotta get this one so you can get super fast motion. Gotta get in here and get that one. And you have to be in the club for this last one, guys. But up here, and you got to get these treats. There we go. Let's go down back here to my base. I'm running so fast right now. Bam. Alright, guys. So after this sells, I will give you that little secret code that you've all been waiting for. But while I'm doing it, I got this little cool bee that's not gifted or nothing. And I got a lot of royal jellies, like 27. I know it's not a lot, but whatever. And let's see if we can get anything good in the meantime. Got a stubborn bee, Riley bee, honey bee, brave, bomber bee, rad bee, Bumblebee, Looker Bee, Bomber Bee, Looker Bee, Commander Bee, Bomber Bee, Bumblebee, Fire Bee, Bumblebee, Honey Bee, Frosted Bee, Cool Bee, Brave Bee, Stubborn Bee again, Brave Bee, Cool Bee, Rad Bee, Brave Bee, Honey Bee, Buckle Bee, Brave Bee. I've been trying to get that, I've been trying to get that new legendary so I can use my thing again, but haven't been able to get it. Alright, you guys. So here's what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna give you the secret little place. So go up on top the ticket tent here. Alright. Go on top the ticket tent. Go on top the gummy bee. And it says the gummy bee wants gumdrops. You have to be a goo hotshot for this. You have to be a goo hotshot. Alright. Goo hotshot. Oh, I have. Oh, I didn't know that. Alright. So you guys have to be a goo hotshot at. Alright. And now, once you're on top of him, hit G for gumdrops, or go into your menu and do gumdrops. You get the free glue. Yep. And then this guy starts talking to you, and then he eventually just kills you. So I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna reset myself. So yeah. And then it gives you, you get unlimited gumdrops for a bit. That was an epic fail on that cannon. I don't know why it did that. But we're gonna go to the top field booster and use these unlimited gumdrops. Hopefully we get cactus, but you never know. So first. Alright guys, so those are all the codes for today. I hope you enjoyed them. Oh, I got spider. I hope they help you also, like, greatly. I know they help me a lot. I guess, yeah. So, yep. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. I'll make sure to put that code in the description. That Russian code. And I wish you guys have a Merry Christmas and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.